everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on My School Carnival. Our school carnival is a fun and exciting event. It happens once in a year with lots of activities. There are games, food stalls, and music everywhere. We enjoy delicious snacks like popcorn and candy. Many students perform dances and sing songs. There are magic shows, puppet shows, and rides. We can buy toys, books, and crafts at the stalls. Everyone loves the lucky draw and prizes. My friends and I have lots of fun together. The school carnival is the best day of the year. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.